Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Shamila.
What do you want to teach us today?
I'm going to teach you something like this portrait. It will be standing on this. This is a complete cake and this is covered in fondant. First I've covered the cake with ganache and then in fondant.
Okay. And how your journey started, when you started this, and since long, मतलब how कब से कर रहे हैं आप ये सब?
See, I was baking since I was in 7th standard, but I
Oh,
started
wow.
professionally from 2007. See, this is a cake. The size of this cake is A4 size paper. I've put a wooden board down here and there is an angle here to support the cake when I put here so that it doesn't fall. And usually when you are doing structure cakes, I would prefer using a truffle cake or a ganached cake because it holds better. Two things we need to take care while we are doing painting on a fondant is like fondant should be dry enough. Like आप fondant लगा के उसको थोड़ी देर छोड़ दो ताकि वो dry हो जाए. It should not be wet because eventually it is going to soak up the color in it and become wet. तो इसमें थोड़ा सा CMC I add so that it's stiff. So shall we start? This is somewhat this I'm going to teach you. ठीक है? So if you see here, the middle part is lighter in color and the background, the outer part is darker. So I'll start with the darker part here. And I'll eyeball it and leave the white part there. Okay, one more thing. Yes, these gel colors from RF. One more thing, the brush stroke doesn't go like this while we are painting because then it leaves marks. The brush stroke has to go like this. Can you see? I'll show it to you again. Because this is porous usually. So to fill in the gaps, all the gaps in the fondant, the brush stroke goes like this. It is somewhat similar to canvas on which we paint. So we never go like this. It has to go like this. ठीक है? Can you see? Can you see my movement is not straight? It's going like this. And the hand is very, very light. क्योंकि अगर हम बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर देंगे तो fondant will start peeling off. I use baker's spirit a little bit if needed. I have two colors, that is navy blue and royal blue, and a little bit of white on my palette. Any questions you can ask?
Any questions? You can buy this color from
RF,
Okay.
RF has all the variety of colors.
You can buy all the colors from there.
I have draped the cake with this C-Deco white fondant with little bit of CMC in it. If your fondant is not dry, the color will peel off. You can see the color is not peeling off right now. Pardon?
You already started blending the colors?
Yeah, because it's fondant. If I leave it too long, it will start patchy. It will show patchy. So to blend the color, I'm using Baker's Spirit. Because if I add water, it will become soggy. You can use lemon extract or vodka if you want.
Vodka?
Yeah. But in my kitchen, I have a strict rule: no alcohol.
Vodka is not alcohol.
Of course it is. Of course it is. Yeah.
Good, Nikita, I like it. ये आपने सवाल पूछा.
Yeah.
I want to know, like, after how much time after draping, how long should we wait and then start coloring?
See, I had draped this cake today in the morning 7 o'clock. So right now I'm painting. Just after draping, if you have to paint your cake, the cake shouldn't go in the fridge. Because once you remove it from the fridge, there will be moisture on it, you will not be able to paint it.
So we should keep it.
At room temperature. That is why I tell you, whenever we make a painted cake or a structured cake, it has to be a ganached cake or a buttercream cake. I would tell you to avoid whipped cream, fresh
so
fruits.
we should wait for the fondant to dry.
Yes,
and
a
then
little
we
bit.
should start coloring.
Yeah.
And what are you using for the color? I mean the gel color and
The gel color, the white, and I'm using Baker's Spirit a little bit.
Okay. Thank you.
Just to blend in the colors.
How do we know that we are done with the colors? Should we add more?
It should look appealing to you. See, pardon?
That's exactly what
That's the question you're asking now. See, I'll show you something. If you can get the camera here. See, I used a little bit more of Evaporex here, so you can see a little bit of color peeling off. So once it starts, now just leave it. Don't touch it. Once it dries off, you can apply the color over there. Because if we overdo painting on fondant, it starts to peel off. So there's a point we have to stop. After that, we can't do it. Nahi to phir you have to let it dry for some time and then you can work on it again. don't take palette, it will not help you when you're coloring in fondant, because plate works better. Once you've painted the cake, don't put it in the fridge back. Okay, suppose if you're in a hurry and you want to paint a cake for an order or something, what you can do is cover the cake in fondant, take the exact size of the cake, paint it and keep it out. Just before delivering, apply a little bit of chocolate on the previous fondant and stick it. That will help you. See, suppose this is the cake and you have to deliver it early morning, you cannot paint that type. So cover the sides of the cake with the fondant. Just let like आप papers देख लो कितना आपका cake का size है exactly, उतना fondant cut करो precisely and paint it and keep it out. So once in the morning you have to deliver them, apply a little bit of ganache on the cake and put the painting on it and then you can deliver it. That will help it not sweat and all. Ganache cake you can keep, if the weather is good, you can keep out for at least 7 to 8 hours without it being spoiled. Even whipping cream cake, if done well, it can be kept for 6 to 7 hours. After that, the taste changes a little bit. Okay, this is fairly good. My brush is broader because if you have a round brush, you won't be able to cover the cake properly. This is fairly done. I will not do it more. Here I have to give an illusion of a table kind of a thing. So I'll just use a little bit of yellow. This is how it looks. Okay, right? And now what we'll start is with the other parts of it, the pot. See, I have made one at home. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, and some flowers. We'll keep this aside. Do you want me to show the strokes again, how I use the paint strokes, the brush? That's fine. Blue fondant. You can make this with cake also, the pot. जो trippings बचती है केक की, आप वो उसमें गनाश मिक्स कर लीजिए एंड उसको ऐसे थोड़ा से थिक रोल करके फ्रिज में थोड़ी देर रख दीजिए, ठीक है. एंड देन आई शो यू द वे टू कट इट एंड देन मोल्ड इट. हो जाएगा. I have a cutter. Usually I work with the templates. If I have taken this cake, what kind of pot or size of pot will look good on it? Because if it's too big, it won't look good. वो पीछे का background छिप जाएगा सारा. Don't roll it too thin. Cling wrap. हम लोग को बहुत बार हार्ट्स बनाना रहता है जो बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट नहीं चाहिए. Want a curve, so you can make with this technique. You put the cling wrap on the fondant. Take your cutter and cut. What you will see here is ये rounded है, ठीक है. थोड़ा सा I will give it a shape. बिकॉज एक राउंड पॉट एकदम विद द एंगल्स अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. Can you see? Now I want to, this is too flat for me. I want कि थोड़ा सा इसमें impression आए. I'll take this tool. I'll make a indentation like this. अभी आप देखोगे कि ये उठ गया है थोड़ा सा, ठीक है. To keep it that way, I'll put a little bit of fondant down so that वो वैसा बना रहे. Now, see, the pot has this part also on top, so we'll cut that now. अभी हम लोग पेंटिंग करते हैं पॉट्स वगैरह पे, तो इट डज नॉट ड्राई, राइट. Everyone has a microwave in their house. You have a convection one. Preheat your microwave on 180 degree Celsius for 10 minutes. ठीक है. माइक्रोवेव बंद कर दो, उसके बाद अपने सारे ये फॉन्डेंट के जो टॉपर्स हैं उसमें रख दो. With the heat of that, it will get dried off. The color. Stop there. नहीं, blue hotspot. नहीं. मेरा टेम्पलेट है ये. I'll put it here and I'll just roughly cut a shape. So I have this shape, but it won't fit properly. ये कटर से हम लोग ने कट किया था. We'll cut it here, and we'll see if it fits perfectly or not. You can see it fits, right? I prefer sticking my fondant accessories with shortening. You get it at RF? Because अगर हम लोग पानी से stick करते हैं तो बहुत चिपचिपी होने लगती है, right? So I prefer using shortening. Shortening, vegetable shortening.
Is this margarine?
हाँ, margarine.
Mother is back.
This even helps when you are making flowers and all, or fondant figures when we are making. तो हम लोग कभी कभी हेड या हैंड स्टिक करते हैं और हम लोग को बाद में लगता है अरे ये ठीक नहीं फिक्स हुआ है. ठीक, इफ़ यू रिमूव इट विद दिस देयर वोंट बी एनी प्रॉब्लम. यू जस्ट स्क्रैप इट ऑफ एंड इट्स ऑफ. लेकिन वाटर की वजह से वो वहाँ पे एक स्पॉट आपको दिखेगा, राइट? सो दिस हेल्प्स. Can you see? ठीक है. Happy? We'll paint this now. I've put a little bit of white so that वो ऐसे लगना चाहिए कि लाइट का रिफ्लेक्शन उस पर आ रहा है. This one is almost dried. If you keep it out for approximately 20 to 30 minutes, तो dry हो जाएगा. हाँ. हाँ, so let it dry and then we will put white strokes. Otherwise वो merge होके सिर्फ blue ही दिखने वाला है. Unless you have to blend the colors, don't do it fast. थोड़ा छोड़ दिया ना and हल्का सा ये baker's spirit लिया तो it happens properly. For this I want to make flower not flat, थोड़ा सा ऐसे उभरा हुआ बोलते हैं ना इसको, 3D effect. So I'll show you how I'll make that. Rest I've got some because time कम है. How much time do I have? हाँ हो जाए. Okay. So हम लोग usually calyx flower में बाद में बनाते हैं पीछे से the green part. What we'll do is like tear drop बनाएंगे, ठीक है? उसके बाद we'll pinch it. Can you see this? टेबल पूरा ब्लू हो रहा है, दैट इज व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग द we have something like this. ये प्लंजर कटर्स हैं. I have removed all the parts from it so that I can have a gap in it. Otherwise वो दूसरे ये भी मिलते हैं जो प्लंजर्स नहीं होते. You can take that one also. Can you see this? Now, ये मेरा sponge है. I've made a hole in this so that I can put this inside. ठीक है. Lay it flat. Ball tool. ऊपर से नीचे to give it a curl. Can you see?
नीचे रख के कर सकते हो,
कर सकती हूँ नीचे रख.
कर सकते हो। नीचे रख के कर लीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। हमारी चीज़ें सामने आती हैं इसलिए।
Did you see? When you put it like this, it gives a curl to it.
या they can see.
Can you see? Very light pressure. बहुत ज़्यादा डालेंगे तो टूट फट जाएगा fondant. थोड़ा बहुत फट गया तो it look natural. The flowers are not same. ठीक है? The middle part to give it a shape. Now I'll take a bit of orange. You get these impressions. This one. अगर ये नहीं है तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. We'll make a round. You have a like this impression. अगर वो मैट नहीं है आपके पास कोई भी फाइन टिप वाला बॉल टूल इज फाइन. Can you see? So either way it is good. And कभी भी ये एकदम फ्लैट मत बनाइए because we have made a hole here. So once we'll put a flat thing, it look एकदम flat. Little bit of conical from down will give it a good shape also to it. Okay. To stick this, I'll be using, as I said. Now we'll let it dry. ठीक है? These are dried ones. If you can see, these are dried, pretty dried. ये कल रात में बनाया था. I've put a wire. Now how do we put a wire once we have made the flower? Wires, plier. You need to bend this. Can you see? लाइटर है किसी के पास?
Then people can see.
लाइटर है किसी के पास? मैच बॉक्स?
ये पूछने में भी मुझे शर्म आ रही है. मेरे पास तो नहीं है लाइटर. एनीबॉडी मैचेस? देखो मैं हाउ रूड मैं आपसे क्यों पूछ रहा हूँ.
नहीं
नहीं?
बाहर.
भैया किसी के पास लाइटर है?
ओके.
होगा. कोई तो होगा
ठीक है.
जो.
I'll tell you like this only. I forgot. I should have gone. या तो you can put water in this, but उससे slip होगा. So what I do is like I light a candle. I make this hot, very hot, and I insert it from behind. अभी आप देखो आपको अलग से वो कैलस बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. And once you make it hot and put it ना तो वो it will hold और वो निकलेगा नहीं frequently.
What the lighter do then? My wonders.
इसको if you make it hot,
हाँ.
the stick, and we put it inside, it's sugar.
Okay.
So once you put it in, it melts and it becomes hard. तो वो
Yes, yes.
वायर निकलता नहीं है.
Got it, bakers?
If we put it
आपके लिए
with
सवाल पूछा
water,
मैंने.
if we put water, it tends to slide off. Most of the time when I make flowers, I do this technique. नहीं तो वो slide off हो जाता है. ऐसे कभी भी slide नहीं होगा. ठीक है? हाँ. And to dry, ये बिग बास्केट से आप लोग ऑर्डर करते होंगे फ्रूट्स. उसमें ये मिलता है.
अरे वाह ये तो जुगाड़ हो गया. वाह.
Make a hole and put it, let it dry.
How much time? Dry.
Usually in summers or winter it takes 5 to 6 hours.
5 to 6
Hours.
hours.
नहीं तो नहीं, you need to keep the flowers ahead. Like you can see all these flowers are hardened enough so that I can use them. ठीक है? Do you want me to make one more flower or is it clear?
Any questions, bakers? Nikita? Questions? Yeah.
Guide how to drape on like fondant on a square or rectangle. The
Pardon?
sharp edges.
Sharp edges. I have two techniques. One is like I drape the fondant completely and I invert the cake. मान लो ये केक है आपका, केक का टॉप है. So I take another board and I invert the cake like this. ठीक है? And then using a fondant smoother, I start to press it like this. So वो sharp edges automatically आ जाते हैं. Even while you're doing ganache, I'll just tell one more thing. आप क्या करो, एक parchment paper लो, हाँ, उसके बाद केक पे अच्छे से गनाश लगा दो, corners तक. Take a board, parchment paper केक के ऊपर रखो and put the board and invert the cake.
But कोने कैसे sharp side में?
कोने आ जाते हैं. You need two. I usually don't cut my sides. ठीक है? I use two smoother and ठीक है, जैसे ये वाला कॉर्नर मुझे चाहिए तो I'll press it like this. तो the sharpness कम. Otherwise you can do paneling method. Like अब आपका वो केक का साइज चेक कर लो and then you can fix it. वो लगाने के लिए you can either use shortening or chocolate ganache. Try to avoid putting water. You will see in most of the videos that they put water before putting the fondant. What happens? Water makes it moisturize. In India हम लोग के घर में हर जगह AC नहीं होती. US वगैरह में everywhere you go there is AC. So there's no problem of moisture there. But in India we have a problem of moisture. So rather than putting water, I prefer a layer of chocolate ganache or shortening. That works pretty well.
Yeah, I have a question. I use the same technique for the sharp edges that you
हाँ.
did. But what happens is during monsoon period, so it starts becoming like little wet. when
Yeah.
we do it, right? And applying corn flour.
In monsoons, before draping the cake, I use CMC in that. Normal fondant भी केक को जब हम लोग को ड्रेप करना है तो I use a little bit of CMC so that वो moisture observe करेगा. जो बाहर का moisture it will observe and not make the fondant sticky.
So that will not stick to the.
And it will not stick. And apply a little bit of corn flour. A mixture of corn flour and icing sugar also works well. जैसे आपको केक अगर डार्क कलर का है तो अप्लाई आइसिंग शुगर because if you steam it a little bit, the icing sugar melts and it gives a nice shine to your cakes.
Thank you.
अदरवाइज बेकर स्पिरिट है ना, हाँ, उसको लो ब्रश में एंड पेंट इट, लाइक आई विल शो यू. ये मैंने पैलेट बनाया है, इट्स नॉट शाइनिंग एट ऑल. कैन यू सी द डिफरेंस? राइट, so it will retain its shyness, it won't go away.
I was not about the shyness. What happens is it sticks to the
Huh.
flat surface, flat thing
Huh.
that we are
So
using.
you
It's
apply
sticking to it.
corn flour and-
I had done that once,
Huh.
and the fondant came off. Then again I had to take it.
Did you put water beneath your cake?
No, it was
Fond-
a ganache cake. It was
Huh.
very well. I had freezed it for a couple of hours. And
You had freezed it or it was in the fridge?
It was in the fridge. I mean the same upside
Huh.
down technique
Okay.
that I had used.
अच्छा, नहीं, apply, put a little bit of CMC in that.
No, I did not do that.
No, I do that particularly in monsoon season, and while doing what do we say, painted cakes also now in fondant I use CMC because it helps to retain it absorbs all the moisture and वो sticky नहीं करता है बहुत ज़्यादा fondant को.
Thank you. I'll try that once.
Okay. Now
More questions, bakers? Yeah, Nikhil.
yes,
Won't the color come off?
No,
if we use evaporates?
I just painted in front of you.
So we need to.
It needs to be dried off a little bit. हम लोग बहुत बार ये टॉपर्स बनाते हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा कॉर्नफ्लोर लग जाता है, इट डजंट लुक गुड, राइट, और डल लगता है, तो आई यूज़ दिस टेक्निक, आई पुट evaporates on it. Okay. Now what we will do is like I'll assemble the cake with the flowers and all. This is yet wet, so the ones I've made I'll put. I'll be using ganache to fix it. Yeah. See, अभी माइक्रोवेव या इंडक्शन नहीं रहता, नहीं तो अदरवाइज आई वुड हैव प्रेफर्ड चॉकलेट. Phone do. I'll put the flowers now. Thank you. I've purposely put wires so that I can bend it a little bit so that it looks better while I'm fixing it. नहीं तो वो आपको वैसे ही fix करना पड़ेगा flower. Pardon?
You wrap wires directly.
No, I usually wrap wires. नहीं तो if there are too many wires to go through a cake, I club it together and put a, what do you say, straw in it, and then I put it. Yeah. No, nothing. हम लोग शुगर को हीट करके कैरमलाइज बनाते हैं, तो वही प्रोसेस हो जाता है वो. नहीं, no, once you heat, the cover on the wire burns off, so it's no more there. कितना टाइम है? 10 minutes, 5 minutes. I'll be done. हो जाएगा. और एक चीज़ दिखानी है बस. Okay. Usually we have filler flowers also while we have a bouquet, right? I'm not sure whether it's dried completely or not, but the tip of my brush is flat and very thin. Just done. Or if you have less time, like I am having right now, one thing
बस इतनी सी तालियां अरे बजाओ खुल के बजाओ because
I want to make blue color to show on the palette. White ganache, mix the color, and here you have a color. Like अभी white चाहिए. ये बहुत जल्दी में हो रहा है.
कोई बात नहीं।
No, no,
एक
that's
मिनट
okay.
है। अरे कहीं नहीं जाएंगे ये लोग, नहीं है, है ना?
Color गिरा है। यहाँ पे color
शेफ आराम से।
नहीं, टाइम कम है।
Don't worry.
Okay. So
इतना
now,
है टाइम, आप घबराओ मत।
अच्छा, मेरा टिश्यू पेपर था ना। I'll put this here.
कोई बात
कोई
नहीं।
बात नहीं, ये है। Don't worry.
Okay.
You want tissues?
No, I have tissues.
She's making the color please.
Yeah,
Okay. Can you see?
it's nice.
Now, sorry, this is brush. This I made with fondant.
Edible.
It's edible. Time रहता तो ये भी दिखाया रहता, but
That's
ठीक है.
nice. Okay.
Okay, I'll put a little bit of color here and I'll put it here so that it looks that कुछ तो किया है हम लोगों ने.
यार ये कुछ नहीं, बहुत कुछ किया आपने, ऐसा क्यों कह रहे हो?
Okay,
चलो अभी मुझे पेंटिंग करनी है, चलो अभी मैं करूँगा।
अभी I'll put this here.
Okay. That's nice.
Oh, wow.
This is the complete look of the cake.
Yes, yes, yes. Why not? Why not?
Fun? अच्छा,
आप हाथ लगाइए मैडम। कलाकार एंड कलाकारी दोनों यही है।
thank you.
One second. It's a beautiful smile.
या।
ये हुई ना बात।
Thank you.
अब जाना।
बेकर्स बजाओ जरा खुल के ताली।